she has a knot here.
Several.
One big one there.
No wonder I'm in pain.
There's that last one.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Good. Tightness over here on this side. More than the right.
That hurts.
Oh.
Here's the rest.
It's enough breath position. There it is.